am going to start the new lesson, the fundamental unit of life. You know, cell is the structural fundamental unit of all living beings. It is found in both plants and animals also. Before starting this lesson, I am telling about the cell. Robert Hooke was the first scientist. In 1665, he discovered cell in a thin slice of cork. 1665 में रॉबर्ट हुक ने सेल को एक thin slice of cork, bark of cork में पता लगाया by using a self-made microscope, जिस माइक्रोस्कोप का उन्होंने ये बनाया. After certain period, Leon Hooke in 1674 he discovered the free living cells in a pond water. He discovered the cells in a pond water, free living pond water, for the first time by using an improved microscope. He discovered the cell by the improved microscope in 1670. Robert Brown. In 1831, he discovered the nucleus in the cell. In 1831, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus, which is present in the center of the cell. Purkinje. In 1839, after 8 years, he coined the term protoplasm for the fluid substance of the cell. Protoplasm is a fluid substance which was discovered by Purkinje in 1839. Skeledin 1838 and Skewan 1839, he formed the cell theory. He said that all the plants and animals are composed of cell. He told that all the plants, even unicellular plant also is plants and animals is composed of cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. Cell हमारी जिंदगी का सबसे important part. Virtue. In 1855, he explained the cell theory. According to him, all cells arise from pre-existing cells. सभी cells का development pre-existing cells. You know कि in all the plants and animals are made of a cell. Cell is the definition of the cell is the structural function unit of all living beings. These are the important terms related to this topic. I am giving some study materials in which more things are mentioned. You have to read and write in your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.